Hello everyone, welcome to another fast and easy holiday decor piece here in Mama's Nook. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and check the notification bell to be alerted of new videos I post. Items I'm going to use in this piece: a tall vase from Dollarama, a medium vase, embellishments, floating candles, charger plate, all from Dollar Tree, and water. Let's get started. Now I'm not using any water beads today, so the trick to keeping the ornaments in place where I want them to stay is to fill them with water. So you just remove the little piece on the top, put water in it, and it will stay weighed down. And just replace the little hanging piece back on top. So I went ahead and pre-filled all of these ones so you didn't have to see me do all of those on screen. So we'll start with the tall vase, and I'm just going to place some ornaments in the bottom. And I'm going to put in this tall holly sprig. And just plunk in some more ornaments. And we'll add a poinsettia. Okay, and a smaller vase. Whoops. Pine cone. Couple of holly sprigs. Ta-da. And let's do another pine cone. And then we'll just place those on the charger tray. Now, I'm just going to turn this so I can place the embellishments. This is just a clip-on sprig. Didn't even have to take the clip off of it. Some hollies. And we'll place some ornaments on here. A couple of pine cones. And we'll add some water. So you can see that the ornaments are staying in place. They're not floating, which is exactly what we want. For some reason, these ones want to float. Well, there we go. And now we just add the floating candles. And we're finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Until next time, bye for now.